So guys, in today's video, ituturo ko guys kung paano tayo mag-open at mag-deposit ng Maya Savings Account, okay, sa ating Maya app. Okay guys, so guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano. So keep on watching guys. So guys, first guys, kung paano mag-open and mag-deposit ng Maya Savings Account. First guys is click ko lang guys itong savings dito guys, app nito. Okay, so pansin nyo guys dito is wala pa akong total savings guys sa aking savings account, okay, sa Maya. So 0 pa lang guys ang aking total savings. So guys, ngayon gagawin ko, click ko lang guys itong start savings account now. Okay, start savings now. Okay, click ko lang to. Okay, so dito guys, mapansin nyo, give your money room to grow, start a savings account with Maya today. Okay, so pansin nyo dito is earn up to 11% per annum every day until August 31, 2023. Okay, move your money via InstaPay or PesoNet. Okay, so transfer money from your wallet instantly. Okay, so gagawin ko guys is mag-i-start my savings ako. I-click ko lang to. Start my savings. So dito, one thing before we start, please review the conditions below and check the boxes that may apply. So kung kayo employee, I have relatives employed by bank, may Maya Bank. So i-check ito. So pag I am citizen, resident or green of card holder United States, kung kayo ay citizen, okay, na resident sa United States, i-check nyo to. Okay, so ako naman is wala naman akong kilalang relatives ko yung nagtatrabaho sa Maya Bank. Hindi ko yan i-check, saka hindi naman ako citizen or resident sa United States. Okay, so check ko lang to guys by checking kung si Maya Bank, and then click ko lang guys to start my savings. Start my savings. So dito mag-enter sa akin guys, ilagay ko lang guys yung aking OTP na isi-send from Maya. Okay, so naka-receive ako na Maya savings, one-time pin sa aking phone. Okay, enter ko lang. And then click ko lang guys to verify. Okay guys, naka-receive na din ako guys ang text from Maya. So your savings account is ready to roll. You can find it under my accounts. Okay, dito yung account name, account number. Start date ko is July 10, 3.5 per annum for Maya savings. Okay, up to 5 million. Okay, so dito pwede na kayo guys mag-deposit once na activated na guys yung savings account nyo. Okay, so dito i-click nyo lang guys itong deposit now. Okay, i-click ko lang to guys para makapag-deposit na ako. Deposit now. Okay, so pansin nyo dito guys, select a fund source. My account is available balance ko sa my wallet ko is 1,316.84. So pwede rin kayo guys mag deposit from other bank. Okay, dito kayo kukuha ng funds sa other bank. Pero sa akin guys, since meron naman akong money sa my wallet ko sa Maya, dito kukuha. Okay? Click ko lang guys sa aking my accounts. Okay, so dito deposit amount. Okay, so plan ko is 1,000 pesos. Okay, 1,000 pesos. Kukuha ko sa aking wallet. Sa aking Maya wallet, 1,000 pesos. Click ko lang guys tong continue. And then, deposit. Click ko lang guys tong deposit. Okay, so dito guys, sabi dito, you have transferred 1,000 from your wallet to your savings. Okay, so naka-receive na rin ako ng text from Maya na transfer na daw yung 1,000 pesos. So dito guys, click nyo lang guys tong finish. Okay, click ko lang yung finish guys. Okay, so ngayon guys, napansin nyo, aking my savings na ngayon is 1,000 pesos. Okay, so dito, your interest current is 3.5 per annum. Okay, so interest earned this month, wala pa dahil kaka-transfer ko lang ng money. Okay, kakalagay ko lang guys ng 1,000, kaya 0 pa yan. Okay, so pwede rin kayo guys mag-deposit at pwede din kayo mag-transfer. Okay, makikita nyo rin guys yung account number sa taas, yung my savings. Okay, bali 12 digit account number yan. Okay, so dito guys, napansin nyo, nabawasan na ako dito ng 1,000 pesos. So ang balance ko lang sa aking wallet is 316.84 pesos. Okay, dito sa aking Maya savings, nagkaroon siya dito na send money to savings account 1,000 pesos sa aking transactions. So dito sa savings, meron ako dito 1,000 pesos. Okay, sa aking total savings account. So dito pwede rin kayo mag-set ng goals. So dito guys, mapapansin nyo guys, deposits are insured by PDIC up to 500,000 pesos per depositor. Okay, so Maya Bank Incorporated is regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Okay, so dito guys, ang ini-insured lang ni Maya Bank is up to 500,000 pesos lang. Okay, so my advice is to hanggang 500,000 lang pesos lang ang pwede nyong ilagay dito para at least insured kayo just in case na wala yung pera nyo. Okay, so dito is insured na ng PDIC yung 500,000 pesos. Okay, so dito gandahan dito guys is may savings siya na 3.5% per annum. So kaya ito yung deposit ko is 1,000 pesos. Okay, so yun lang guys kung paano mag activate ng Maya savings and then mag-deposit sa Maya savings account. Okay, so guys, if you have a questions guys, please let me know na lang and then sasagutin ako kagad sa mga questions nyo. Okay, free lang kayo guys mag-comment sa YouTube channel ko. Okay, so yun guys, welcome to Maya savings. So nag-ano na sa akin guys yung ang Maya. Okay, so kung nagustuhan nyo guys itong video ito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click all notification bell button para updated lahat kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys, and God bless. Stay safe.